For being a traditional travel trailer RV, I think this is about as close to a home as you could ask for. Let's go take a look. Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you're new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and we are here at Grand Design taking a look at their new 2025 reflection floor plan. This is going to be the 322 FKTS. You'll be able to see the floor plan layout and the specs on the screen, and if you don't know much about reflection, this is basically the biggest travel trailer that you can get from Grand Design as of 2025. And they do a really good job with these travel trailers, making it feel very much like a home inside, and they are just absolutely huge. Now, if you are interested in this RV or just ready to start shopping for your next RV, there is a link down below in the comments and description of this video that will help you get started with Blue Compass RV. So they are an RV dealership with over 100 plus different stores across the United States, across 33 different states. So lots of support there and lots of locations to help you find your next RV. Now, as we step up inside here, we're going to be able to see the floor plan layout and specs when we look inside, but it should have popped up on the screen as well. And when we step inside, really impressive. First of all, you have the screen defender door right here. And I should mention as well, with pricing on this, I don't have any exact pricing information as of right now since this isn't available yet, but this here should be priced right around the same price that we would see with any other reflection models that are in this similar size range. There are two other slide outs on the opposing slide, but no slide out on your campsite. You have your awning out here, and again, the 322 FKTS. And as we walk inside here, really quick, y'all, I need to update you on something that is happening in November. It is October 31st of me filming this portion right here. You can see I got a camper hooked up, and I'm going camping in Colorado and making a video all about why are reasons that someone would purchase an RV from this exact trip, because this actually was supposed to be a tent camping trip and now I'm in a camper. So be on the lookout for that video. But I want to let you know that Blue Compass RV in the month of November is donating $100 for every RV that they sell to the Intrepid Fallen Heroes Fund. That is going to be a fund that is helping veterans that are dealing with mental trauma and things of that nature. So their goal is to donate up to $100,000. They are donating $100 for every single RV that they sell out of their 100 plus locations across the United States with Blue Compass RV. So if you were looking at purchasing an RV, or if you have an old RV like this one and are looking to trade it in, you can buy during a time where you can get some really good discounts, and also buy and have your money go to a good cause where $100 will be donated to that Intrepid Fallen Heroes Fund. So you can see a link down below in the comments to learn more about that. And if you're looking to purchase an RV, now is a great time to take advantage of that donation that's going on. So go check that out. Tons of floor space, right? When we walk in, you have your bar stool seating with some shelving down through here. Controls here for the fifth wheel RV, or sorry, the travel trailer. Feels like a fifth wheel RV, and you have your slide out control, awning controls, and this will connect to your phone. You have 12 volt heat pads on your water tanks, and you can control all of those aspects from your phone. Absolutely massive front kitchen in here. 3 cushion sofa there. All 3 cushions will recline. You have your really tall 16 cubic foot refrigerator, spot to hang clothes in this space, and a pantry here. So really, really impressive space. Love the way the lights light up in there when you open the door, and you have adjustable shelving on these. But what really, really impressed me about this, y'all, is you pass through this bedroom with the queen size bed in here. See the way that queen bed looks. Room to walk around on both sides of the bed. And this has got to be the biggest bathroom I can recall in a traditional travel trailer RV. That's a dual vanity setup back here. Basically feels like we are in a Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel, but it's a travel trailer. I mean, it is really impressive. So much storage space back here. You have nice big plastic sinks back in this bathroom, and plenty of room for your hands. See your medicine cabinet storage there, storage back into the corner here. And then all of these drawers and cabinets underneath the sink there. 3 drawers on each side that will pull out. You have standard, like kind of basically like a plywood style drawer construction there for the interior of the drawers. Medicine cabinet here. And then you have your really tall shower in this space. So if I flip this around real quick, you can see when I step up in here, I mean, great ceiling height. I'm 6'2" with my shoes on, and you can see here, I mean, on my tiptoes, I can't even touch my head to the ceiling, so it's probably 6'7" or so that would fit inside of here. And this sits up pretty dang high as well. In its highest position, it goes right there, and you can see I can actually stand underneath it without having to duck, so also appreciate that. So great bathroom all in all. Last thing in the bathroom is also your washer dryer is going to be able to go right here if you want one. So you can do a washer dryer combo in here. It does have the cutout spot for a dryer vent, but I think this looks like it would only fit a washer dryer combo unit. I can't imagine anything other than that going into this space. And then let me go grab something real quick because I did forget. Okay, had to run all the way across the lot to make sure you knew about Liquefied here. So this is a black tank treatment for your RV. You can find Liquefied on Amazon as well as Blue Compass shelves coming soon. Wanted to make sure you knew about that there. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And wow, I should not have ran, y'all. That was not a smart idea. Jumped right into filming. I'm almost out of breath. Whew. Okay, ceiling height in here. Check this out. Even going into the bedroom and bathroom at the shortest point, I mean, that is very tall there. And again, 6'2" with my shoes on, so just love that. That is awesome. And curious your thoughts on this bathroom. I mean, what do y'all think about this bathroom for a travel trailer? Very curious what you think about that, because that is, I mean, that just really blew me away. Up here you have your wardrobe storage, so you'll have a clothing rod up there to hang shirts from. 3 pull-out drawers on each side. And this definitely can be used as a desk space. It feels like there would be a slide out on this wall with how spacious this bedroom feels, but it is not. So you can use this as a desk. It looks like it sits a little bit high, so you want like a high seated desk chair here, or at least one that has, you know, the adjustable height that can get up pretty high, because this does sit a little bit up there. You can mount a TV to the wall, or you can put a TV here, so you could get a really large TV in this space. Turning around this way, see your headboard there. Again, queen size bed. I don't know that there's enough width here to fit a king bed. It does not look like it. Here's some of the construction elements with a reflection. So if you want to pause the video and look at this here, you can read through that there and down on this portion. But we go through most of this stuff as we are walking through the video. You have some storage space up along here. Now, if you're thinking about full timing in an RV like this, or just setting this up on a plot of land, definitely a great option. See your individual lights there. You also have storage space down underneath here. There is a carpet in this slide out, just back there. Outlets and USB ports here, USB Type-C connection. But it's a great option for, you know, kind of a destination trailer alternative. Can tow this around a little bit more, definitely has a more towing friendly package and build to it than a destination trailer, but man, this thing is pretty dang close to just being a true home on wheels essentially. Back out into the living room area, again, all 3 cushions here will recline, and this front kitchen is just so impressive. Also curious your thoughts on this. You can see as I sit down, that's your view of the TV from right here. Maybe not the most ideal viewing position, but not terrible. Cushions are pretty dang comfortable. They're the Thomas Paine furniture collection, and you do sink into them just a little bit. Don't know if this does have the flip down cup holders, and it looks like you have USB ports here, a USB and a USB Type-C. Very nice. Love that. So you do have the flip down armrest, and just love having a 3 cushion sofa, so you can either lay out on it, or you can, you know, have a pet or a person cuddle up next to you and all those things on that sofa. Solid surface countertop in here, and then the size is just incredible in this kitchen. I mean, whoops, didn't mean to flip the camera around there for you. Sorry, got y'all spinning around, my goodness. Sorry about that, but just wanted to show kind of the space in here. So you can see as I walk around, I mean, there's room for multiple adults here in this kitchen area. 2 people can really traverse this space together, and I think that's just a really unique aspect to this front kitchen layout, how it's kind of like a, you know, you almost get kind of trapped in that kitchen, but not really. And just a ton of countertop space. Obviously, you have the eating spot here since there's no true designated dining table. Here's another thing we can look at as well. This is the floor plan layout inside. and some of the exact specs for this unit. So things like, okay, so it does have a king bed option. Definitely wanted to look at that. And I don't know if there's any other options that we're seeing on here. A 48-inch shower, so I think that's just the length of the shower there. But just want to make sure I had a chance to look at this. You can see right here, 54-gallon fresh water, 71-gallon gray water, 39-gallon black water tank, 1,100-pound hitch weight. Definitely a heavy travel trailer. I would recommend at least a 3/4 ton. It's like a 250 or 2,500 to tow something like this. Here's your travel Fi for your Wi-Fi systems there that this comes with. Storage space up through here. And that is a tinted glass on these cabinet doors. Hidden hinges on those cabinets. Windshield up front on this model, going to have a pull down blackout shade in this windshield area. Pop that back up. Outlets on both sides of this space. Super deep countertop, stainless steel sink. And then some storage space down underneath here with some of your plumbing underneath there. 3-burner gas stove. Your microwave is a residential size microwave. No air fryer or convection oven built into that though. Just a standard microwave. Have a larger size oven than you might normally see in some other travel trailers. And some storage space underneath here. 3 drawers that pull out. Looks like, okay, there we go. There's your utensil divider. So you got a couple of those there. Then you got more storage down underneath here. I could steal Josh the RV Nerd's hat right there. There's his RV Nerd hat. If I wanted to be a menace, I could take that, but I'm not going to because I'm not a menace. But I had the thought. I did have the thought. Trash can there. And a little bit more storage up here. I don't know if this TV swivels down. I would imagine, yeah, it swivels out, but it doesn't look like there's a swivel down mechanism on it. But it does swivel out. You have your AC up here. This will be ducted throughout the travel trailer as well. So you can see it's ducted throughout this space. It looked like the Furrion Chill Cube as well, if I saw it correctly, which if that's the case, that's an 18,000 BTU AC. And I did not see on here. I don't see, and I may miss it because I'm trying to go through this fast. But I don't see anything indicating the ACs in this literature. But it looks like a Chill Cube AC, which if that's the case, again, 18,000 BTU. It's going to be at least a 15,000 BTU AC. Inducted through the space, vent fan in here, and then go back and there's another AC back here in the bedroom. That's pretty much everything on the inside though. So let me know your thoughts on what you think. As we come outside, you have the ABS system here. That's why there's red brake drums there. You have a Moride CRE 3000 suspension system underneath here. So a more improved suspension system there. And then you have Goodyear Endurance tires. Fully enclosed underbelly, 12-volt heat pads on your water tanks. Outlets out here on the side. And then this is just a huge travel trailer. You can see up there. Let me get the zoom in function here. That looks like the Furrion Chill Cube AC. And so if that's the case, that should be an 18,000 BTU AC there. I just don't want to say something that I'm not 100% certain on, but that looks like that's the case. 370 watts of solar up there. Is that what that says? I believe that's 370. Should be able to see on the screen there. I still can't see on my little screen I'm monitoring this from, but that should be about 370 watts of solar up on the roof. They're utilizing a drop frame up front here. So this drop frame underneath the camper gives you a big storage compartment through here. I literally could probably walk through that. It is so tall. So that's nice. Outlet on this side, motion activated light. Can't see any of the framing here, but this does have an aluminum frame structure on this reflection. Get up to the front cap area here. And you have your 30-pound propane bottles up front, power tongue jack, really nice looking front cap with the windshield. And then it should have, looks like there's auto leveling on this travel trailer. Let's see if we can find, yep, there it is. Auto leveling controls on here, tire pressure monitoring system, all your electrical components here, your 60 amp solar charge controller, battery disconnect switch, and nice concise wiring throughout this area. Water connections all behind this door here, so don't have to duck under anything to get to that space. That's nice. You can see how the baggage door goes up flat against the wall. And then all your water connections will all be in that area with that Nautilus water management system. Storage here underneath the bed. This will be under your queen bed in the bedroom. Just nice open storage there. Sorry, didn't mean to zoom in on that. So you can see your storage space there. And then that'll have metal clips to hold that closed. Tankless on-demand water heater. You have your accessory hitch on the back, so not meant for towing, but this will usually be rated. Let's see what they got down here. Ooh, it's hard to get underneath there, and there's a ton of bugs. It's usually rated for about 1,500 pounds and a 150-pound hitch weight on that. Prep to add a backup camera on the back, and you do have 2 different dump valve areas, one on each side of the axle. It looks like it's just a gray tank on that side of the axle though, for your kitchen sink, and then this should be everything else back here. And that's pretty much everything, y'all. So again, I don't have an exact price on this, but if you use the link down below in the comments and description of this video, that will get you to our website where we have over 100 different stores in 33 different states. This should be priced relatively close to any other size reflection that we currently have in stock. It may be a little bit more just because it's 2025 and most stuff that's in stock is the 2024. But that might also change by the time this video gets posted. So use that link down below in the comments and description to get pricing information. Stuff like this typically sells in like the $60,000 to maybe $70,000 price range. So that's kind of a ballpark estimate. But let me know what you think down below in the comments. That's all I got for y'all. Until next time, live firmly unbound.